Manufacturing should be a model of precision, productivity, and progress, where every system, process, and person works in sync. But daily realities on the plant floor often paint a different picture. Communication breakdowns, aging infrastructure, cybersecurity risks, and the need for precise locations when emergencies occur. How can your manufacturing operation overcome these challenges and position itself for smarter, safer, and more profitable production? The first step is choosing the right communications and IT advisor. We help manufacturers modernize operations with smart, scalable technologies, bridging the gap between legacy systems and Industry 4.0 initiatives, from plant-wide communication platforms to IoT-ready networks. Imagine real-time communication between your production floor and front office, unified collaboration tools for remote and on-site teams, and direct call routing that eliminates delays, no matter how large or complex your facility. With mobile integration, cloud-based systems, and ruggedized device support, your teams stay connected even in the toughest environments.